Jai Jagannath. Dignitaries on the dais, Honorable Minister for Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, my colleague Shri Ravi Nayak ji, Honorable Minister for Fisheries and Animal Resource Development, Shri Gokulanand Malik ji, Principal Secretary Agriculture, Dr. Arvind Padi, Director Agriculture Shri Premchand Chaudhary, Director Horticulture Shri Nikhil Pavan Kalyan, Director Industries Shri Prashant Kumar Reddy, dignitaries of the dais, friends from the electronic and print media. First of all, I would like to apologize on behalf of all of us here. We've not been able to provide you with adequate number of chairs to sit on. For that, my sincere apologies to you. Friends, this sectorial session on agri and food processing industries, an ecosystem for sustainable and inclusive growth in Orissa, was yesterday flagged off and launched by none other than the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi. And as was being pointed out by my colleague, Shri Gokulanand Malik ji, he said, he referred to what the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Chief Minister both said, yahi samay hai, sahi samay hai. This is the right time, this is the opportune time for the growth of Purvodaya. Purvodaya means the eastern part of the country. And the Honorable Prime Minister has always mentioned this since 2014, that if you want a Viksit Bharat, if you want a Viksit Orissa, then definitely along with that you have to have overall development of the eastern part of India. Then only you can have a Viksit Bharat, a Viksit Orissa. I, on behalf of all of us on the dais, would like to thank you all for having taken time off from your busy schedules and come here for this Utkarsh Odisha Make in Odisha Conclave 2025. This platform has emerged as a beacon for investment and innovations. I am a firm believer that sustainability in agriculture has gained sufficient attention in recent years. Growing concern for the environment is not just a buzzword. It is a necessity in today's agriculture. Sustainable agricultural practices are now widely adapted to protect soil health, maintain food security, and preserve natural resources for the future generations. Sustainability is not about conserving Mother Earth's resources. It is about preserving life on this planet. The irony and threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it. We must shift from economic efficiency to life efficiency. Agriculture is a journey, not a destination. We should strive to be better stewards of the earth and all its inhabitants. Being the single largest employment sector of the state, agriculture is the linchpin of socio-economic development in the state. The food processing industry holds immense potential to revolutionize our agricultural landscape. By transforming raw produce into high-value products, we can reduce wastage, enhance farmers' income, and generate employment across rural and urban areas. Orissa is committed to fostering robust ecosystem that promotes innovation, investment, and infrastructure in this sector. Our government has taken several steps to enhance agricultural productivity and expand the food processing sector. Odisha's food processing policy has introduced incentives for setting up of processing units like cold storage facilities and logistic hubs to strengthen the supply chain. Under the Mukhyamantri Krishi Udyog Yojana, we are encouraging young entrepreneurs by providing 40 to 50% subsidy to establish food processing industry. Mega food parks and agro-industrial clusters. These dedicated zones aim to create a world-class processing infrastructure offering integrated support to business and farmers. Agri-export production, Odisha is leveraging its strength in rice, spices, seafood, and horticulture products to expand our footprint in the global markets. Technology and digital transformation through smart farming techniques, precision agriculture, and digital marketplace, we are empowering the farmers with a better market access and fair pricing. Financial assistance to cold storages. We are going to establish cold storages at subdivisional levels by private partnership, providing for a lot of incentives on construction of storage, transportation, and subsidies in electricity tariffs, etc. The call for collaboration and investment. Growth of this sector is not the responsibility of the government alone. We invite entrepreneurs, investors, research institutions, and farmers' cooperatives to join hands in building a self-reliant and resilient agri-processing ecosystem. To facilitate this, we are offering investment-friendly policy, single-window clearance mechanism, and financial incentives to attract businesses that can contribute to Odisha's agri-economy. Sustainability is at the heart of our vision. We are promoting organic farming, climate-resilient agriculture, and value-added processing that ensures prosperity for our farmers while preserving our natural resources. Women and shareholders, farmers will play a crucial role in this journey, and we will ensure there is active participation and empowerment. Odisha is on the cusp of an agriculture and food processing revolution with strategic policies, robust infrastructure, and a strong commitment to sustainable growth. We are poised to become a leader in the space. Let us work together to transform challenges into opportunities and build a prosperous, self-reliant, and inclusive Odisha. Before I conclude, I, on behalf of my Chief Minister, on behalf of all my colleagues and officers of the state government, would like to apologize to all the investors who have come from outside the state if we in any way have failed in making your stay comfortable here, your involvement in the state in any way, if we have failed to take care of you, I'm sure you will forgive us for the shortcomings. And I assure you that from the journey from here forward will be of greater interest both for you and for the state of Odisha and the people of Odisha. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Jagannath.